Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping what you need. A clean Roblox studio place with fixed camera and a decided frame rate, 24 or 30 FPS. Once done, import or build the character models and rig them. Name every limb and prop to speed selection. Then add a plugin or enable manual incremental movement so you can move pieces exactly one frame at a time. This first stage sets precision and prevents rework, because consistent naming and camera lock make every subsequent frame predictable and fast. Now you animate by moving pieces in tiny, consistent increments to create fluid motion. Aim for 0. 5 to 2 studs or 3 to 8 degrees per frame, depending on speed. Make a short test of 10 frames to evaluate motion, then continue. Capture each frame as an image in strict order. Export automatically if possible. Otherwise, take sequential screenshots and name them numerically. Make sure to plan holds for important poses by duplicating frames, and use markers or notes to track timing so edits remain predictable. Finally, assemble the exported frames in a video editor at your chosen FPS and inspect the playback. Once compiled, add subtle motion blur, sound effects, and fine-tune timing by stretching hold frames or trimming problem frames. If you see jitter or inconsistent motion, redo the 3 to 5 offending frames rather than the whole sequence. Check that the camera remained fully anchored and that model pivot points didn't shift. As a key troubleshooting tip, always verify camera lock and consistent naming before re-rendering to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.